Welcome back to dptutorials.
In this tutorial, let us learn about a shortcut to link all checkboxes to cells with a macro in Excel. You might have already seen that we can use checkboxes on a worksheet and link the results to a cell. If the checkbox is checked, the cell shows true, and if it's not checked, the cell shows false. So this is my sample to-do list, and I would like to show the status of each task by using the checkbox. First, let us see how to create this checkbox and link them to a cell. Let us do for the first cell in the column F. Go to Developers tab. If you don't have it here, add it by clicking the Customize the ribbon button. Click on Insert command and under Form Control, click on the checkbox option. Go to cell F6 and draw the checkbox and just ensure that this is inside the cell F6. Press Ctrl and click the checkbox frame and then select the text and delete the text. So now this would be a blank checkbox. It's simple. Now, if you want to capture the checkbox result, you will have to link it to a specific cell. Right click on the checkbox and click on the Format control. Go to Control tab and give the cell link reference, say I6. You can also link to a cell by just typing in the formula bar, which is a shortcut. Now drag this cell F6 to the last cell in the F column, that is till F40, and select any one checkbox. You will observe that all have been selected and marked as true in the reference cell I6. So if you would like to add the checkboxes to all the cells in the F column, it's not working with this way. So our requirement is to have individual results. If you're having 4 to 5 checkboxes, we can do it manually, the linking to different cells. So if you want to link the checkbox result to different cells in a column, we have to use a macro, which we can see now. Go to the VBA editor window, insert a new module, and type the macro code as sub space link checkboxes. Press enter. Dim check as checkbox. Press enter. Dim lCol as long. Press enter. lCol equals to 3. This is the number of columns to the right of checkbox that you want to have the result. Okay. Press enter. Next, press enter for each check in ActiveSheet.CheckBoxes. Press enter and tab with check. Press enter. Give some tab. LinkedCell equal to underscore. Press enter. TopLeftCell.Offset, open the parenthesis 0, lCol, close the parenthesis, dot address. Press enter, end with, press enter, type next, check. That's it. So we are done with this code. It's a small code, in fact. Now go back to the Excel sheet and let us run the macro now. You can see the results in the column I like this. You can test the checkboxes now. If you select any of the checkboxes, the respect to I column cell will be marked as true, and if you unselect the checkbox, it will show the value as false. Got it? This is a very nice method to save your time if you want to add checkboxes to all the cells in the Excel. So friends, this is all about shortcut I would like to show to link all checkboxes to cells with a macro in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.